Mastering event phrases. Understanding. Holding a reception. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a commonly used phrase in the English-speaking world, holding a reception. Stick around as we explore its definition, usage, and give you some practical examples to help you master it for your next English conversation or event planning. Holding a reception refers to the act of organizing and hosting a formal or semi-formal gathering or event, usually after a significant occasion such as a wedding, a business event, or a ceremony. The purpose of a reception is to provide a space for guests to celebrate, mingle, and sometimes, to formally meet for the first time. It can vary in formality, size, and nature depending on the occasion it follows. A reception typically includes several key elements. Venue, the location where the reception is held. It can range from a hotel ballroom to someone's home. Guests, people who are invited to join in the celebration or acknowledgement of a particular event. Food and beverages. Offerings can range from light snacks and drinks to full-course meals. Activities may include speeches, dancing, and other forms of entertainment to engage guests. Understanding these elements can help you get a clearer picture of what it means to hold a reception and what is expected in such events. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life situations, here are a few examples. After their wedding ceremony, the couple is holding a reception at the local country club. Our company is holding a reception to welcome the new CEO. Following the graduation ceremony, the university will be holding a reception for graduates and their families. These sentences illustrate the versatility of the phrase in various contexts, highlighting its importance in social and formal gatherings. Holding a reception is a phrase that encapsulates the essence of gathering, celebrating, and interacting in a formal or semi-formal setting. Whether you're planning an event or attending one, understanding this phrase and its nuances can enhance your English communication skills, especially in social contexts. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using this phrase in your next English conversation. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.